Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the smallest 5-digit number that can be formed by using the digits 5, 2, 4, 6, 7. So this is a very simple question. So smallest 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number will be equals the digits arranged in ascending order. So we have 5, 2, 4, 6, 7. So the smallest digit among the given 5 digits is 2. After 2 comes 4. After 4 we have 5, then 6 and then 7. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.